If you're on the hunt for your first share trading app or platform, or want to upgrade the one you currently have, here are 5 essential things our Finder experts recommend you consider before settling on your new app. Defining your investing goals is by far the most important step and will have an impact on nearly every other decision you have to make to choose the right app for you. Your goals or investment plan should include how much money you want to invest and what you plan to use the profits for, as well as a timeline for how long you plan to have your money wrapped up in the stock market, how much you can afford to lose, and what level of risk you're willing to take on. Also consider how often you plan on trading. Will you trade weekly, or is this something you're just trying out for a month? What do you want to trade? Individual stocks and shares, bonds, ETFs, for example? And think about how hands-on you want to be. If you want a more hands-off approach, try a robo-advisor app like Nutmeg, for example. Take a detailed look at what fees and charges a platform has. These can include monthly account fees, commission fees, withdrawal fees, minimum deposit amounts, foreign exchange conversion fees, and more. I say to take a detailed look because even some of the platforms that promote themselves as being free to set up or offering commission-free trades have hidden fees, particularly around more advanced investing products like trading cryptocurrencies, non-standard withdrawals, and monthly stocks and shares ISA charges. In general, your investing platform should suit your investing expertise, but this principle really comes to light when thinking about an app's ease of use. Some platforms are specifically designed for more experienced investors, with advanced tools and tricks hidden in every corner, and a user interface that's harder to navigate than the Bermuda Triangle. While other platforms like Freetrade, for example, have an interface that more closely resembles the clear, concise, and easy-to-use interfaces of digital banking apps like Monzo, which could be better suited for beginners. Understanding the market, keeping abreast of trends, and being able to track the performance of your own investments is key to boosting your portfolio and keeping a level head in the investing game. Think about how you best digest information and data. Do you like charts and graphs, or are you a cold, hard numbers kind of person? Once you've locked that in, start looking around for apps and platforms with market insights and tools that you feel will help you stay on the pulse and understand your investments as effectively as possible. If you want to try before you buy or learn more about investing as you trade, an app with a demo account or in-depth guides, videos, walkthroughs, and learning resources could be a good shout. IG, for example, has a whole separate app, IG Academy, where you can boost your skills and develop your expertise for free. And eToro, for example, has a demo account that lets you trade up to $100,000 in virtual funds, so you can get used to the app, its features, and even try out your first trade without having to part with any physical cash. For more information on how to choose the right trading app, head to finder.com. I've tagged a whole bunch of useful links in the description below, so grab a cuppa and have a browse. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more guides just like this one. As always, thanks for watching.